Welcome, today I'm showing you how to switch on or off screen touches into a screen recorder in your Emporia SMART.5. First of all, open your top navigation bar and find here screen record button. If you don't have this button here, tap to pencil, then scroll down, find this button in this block gray, then press and hold like this and drag to top for add. Now when we add this button here, tap to back for saving, and now need to press and hold a half a second this screen record button. And here we got our screen record panel. And on the left icon it's our screen touches on screen recorder. So if this icon like this, it's disable this option now, and if we tap one more time and this like blue, it's activate this option. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.